Hello there, today we'll create a Zephyr test case. From the app section in the side panel menu in Jira, I'm going to click on the Zephyr Squad app, and then you'll be able to see the same screen as I am, the test case is screen loaded. Now let's click on the create new test case button and this model will appear. In here we'll only fill in the required fields to move further. You can change any information you filled in here later on when you can edit it. Let's provide a name for our test case, and as you can see, you can provide objective for the test, preconditions when needed, or other fields such as the status or components if you have any specific components added in Jira. Also labels, and let's try and add one. Now let's click on create, and as you can see, our test case has been created and is visible in Zephyr Squad, so let's check it out. In the details tab, we have what we previously filled in, and if we move to test scripts, we'll be able to see where we can add our test steps with action, test data, and expected result. This would be the first way you can create a test case in Zephyr. Another way is to add a test directly from the ticket you are testing. So let's go onto our Jira board and open our ticket. And I'm going to click on the apps in here under the title and then select Zephyr Squad. As you can see, I have this section that appeared on my ticket, and I have two options to either create a new test case or link an existing one. For now, let's go with the first option. This will open the same model we have seen when we created our previous test case, so let's fill in the required fields on this one as well and create our test. Everything filled in, I'll click on create, and you can see it automatically links to the ticket we are working on. If we want to link an existing test case, we just need to go to Zephyr and go onto that test case, go to traceability tab, and let's click on this button here, type in the issue ID of our ticket, select it for linking. Now let's also ensure it appears on our ticket, and as you can see, here it is. I hope this helped, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QA related content. Thank you.